If you're into animation, you might have heard of Viggle AI, but does it really live up to the hype, or is it just another tool that falls flat? Let's dive in and see what this platform has to offer. Viggle AI is designed to streamline the animation process using artificial intelligence. At its core, it offers a user-friendly interface that allows creators to generate animations quickly, which is a huge plus for those looking to save time. The platform targets animators of all skill levels, making it accessible for beginners, while still offering features that seasoned pros might appreciate. One standout feature is its ability to turn simple text prompts into animations, which can be particularly useful for marketers or educators looking to create engaging content without spending hours on traditional animation methods. However, while the concept is appealing, there are some areas that feel a bit vague. For instance, the specifics on how the AI generates these animations aren't fully clear, and potential users might want more transparency on that front. Overall, the platform feels promising but leaves some questions unanswered. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Viggle AI's intuitive design makes it easy to jump right in, which is great for newcomers. The time-saving aspect of generating animations from text is also a big win for busy creators. On the flip side, some users might find the lack of detailed customization options limiting, especially if you're used to more robust animation software. Additionally, there's a noticeable absence of user reviews or testimonials, which raises some trust concerns. Without clear feedback from other users, it's hard to gauge the platform's reliability fully. Also, if you're a professional animator who thrives on detailed control over every aspect, you may find Viggle AI lacking in that department. It seems best suited for those who need quick, engaging animations without diving too deep into the technicalities. In conclusion, Viggle AI could be a solid choice for those looking to dip their toes into animation without a steep learning curve. However, if you're after advanced features or detailed customization, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth trying out, but approach it with a bit of caution regarding its limitations.